Imagine yourself in the heart of the Kalahari Desert. The vast expanse of red sand stretches out as far as the eye can see, creating a mesmerizing and almost otherworldly landscape. The sheer scale of this desert is both humbling and awe-inspiring. The sun blazes down on the red sand, its intense heat creating shimmering mirages that dance on the horizon. The relentless sun is both a giver and taker of life in this harsh environment. And a symphony of buzzing insects fills the air. These tiny creatures are a vital part of the desert ecosystem, each playing a role in the delicate balance of life here. Suddenly, a group of small furry heads pop up from a burrow. These curious creatures are meerkats, and they are endlessly fascinating. Their playful antics and tight-knit family groups make them one of the most endearing animals in the desert. These are meerkats, and they are endlessly fascinating. They live in complex social structures, with each member of the group playing a specific role. From sentinels who keep watch for danger to babysitters who care for the young, every meerkat has a job to do. But life for a meerkat is not all sunshine and games. Despite their playful nature, meerkats must always be on high alert. The desert is full of dangers, and they must be constantly vigilant to survive. They face danger every single day. From predators that lurk in the shadows to the harsh conditions of the desert itself, meerkats must navigate a perilous world. Can you guess their biggest enemy? It's not just the obvious threats that pose a danger to meerkats. The desert is full of hidden perils that can strike at any moment. The Kalahari Desert is a harsh and unforgiving environment where only the toughest creatures can survive. The extreme temperatures and scarce water sources make life here a constant struggle, and only the toughest creatures can survive. From the resilient plants that can store water for months to the animals that have adapted to the extreme conditions, survival in the Kalahari requires incredible resilience. Meerkats, with their remarkable social structure and incredible resilience, are perfectly adapted to this challenging landscape. Their ability to work together as a team is one of their greatest strengths. But even these clever animals have enemies. From the skies above to the ground below, danger can come from any direction. Some are obvious, like eagles that circle in the sky. These majestic birds of prey have keen eyesight and can spot a meerkat from high above. Others are more surprising, lurking in the shadows or hiding in plain sight. Stay with me as we uncover the hidden dangers of the meerkat world and discover their most formidable foe. The answer might just surprise you. And discover their most formidable foe. The answer might just surprise you. From venomous snakes that slither silently through the sand to rival meerkat gangs that compete for territory, the threats are many and varied. The answer might just surprise you. Join us as we delve deeper into the lives of these incredible creatures and explore the many challenges they face in their daily struggle for survival. The world of the meerkat is full of surprises, and there's always something new to discover. Meerkats are like the sentinels of the desert, always on the lookout for danger. They live in groups called mobs with 20 to 50 members. Each mob has a strict social structure with a dominant female, the alpha female, leading the group. The alpha female is responsible for breeding and protecting the young. Other meerkats have specific roles, like guarding the burrow or foraging for food. This teamwork is essential for their survival because danger can strike at any moment. One of the most visible threats to meerkats comes from the sky. Birds of prey, especially eagles, are a constant danger. Soaring high above the desert, eagles have incredibly sharp eyesight. They can spot a meerkat from a great distance. When an eagle attacks, it swoops down with incredible speed and precision, its talons outstretched. The meerkats have only seconds to react. But the dangers aren't limited to the skies. On the ground, slithering threats lurk amongst the rocks and grasses. Snakes, particularly venomous species like cobras and puff adders, pose a serious risk to meerkats. These snakes often hunt by ambushing their prey, lying in wait near meerkat burrows or foraging grounds. A bite from a venomous snake can be deadly, especially to younger meerkats. Section 5. Opportunistic hunters. Meerkats must also be wary of larger mammals that share their desert home. Jackals, with their sharp teeth and powerful jaws, are opportunistic hunters. While they may not actively target meerkats as their primary food source, jackals won't hesitate to snatch a meerkat if the opportunity arises. Especially vulnerable are young meerkats, old meerkats, or those who stray too far from the protection of the mob. Section 6. The unexpected enemy. We've seen how eagles, snakes, and jackals pose significant threats to meerkats, but the most surprising danger comes from within their own species. Other meerkats. Yes, you read that right. While cooperation within a mob is essential, rivalries between different meerkat groups can be fierce. These conflicts are often driven by competition for resources such as territory, food, and mates. Section 7. A battle for supremacy. When two meerkat mobs clash, it's a sight to behold. The desert sand becomes a battleground as these normally adorable creatures transform into fierce warriors. They will bite, scratch, and grapple with each other, each mob fighting for dominance. These battles can be brutal and even fatal. The dominant alpha females of each mob often lead the charge, their goal to protect their own group and ensure its survival. Section 8. Meerkat mobs' strength in numbers. Why do meerkats engage in such risky behavior? The answer lies in the harsh realities of their desert environment. Resources are scarce and competition is fierce. A larger, stronger mob has a better chance of securing the best foraging grounds, finding more food, and attracting mates. This, in turn, increases their chances of survival and the continuation of their lineage. Section 9. A cycle of life and death. The life of a meerkat is a constant struggle for survival, a daily battle against the harsh realities of their environment. It is a delicate balance between cooperation and conflict, where every action can mean the difference between life and death. While they work together to survive against predators and the elements, their unity is their strength. They take turns standing guard, watching for any signs of danger. Yet within this tight-knit community, competition is fierce. They also compete with each other for limited resources, such as food and territory. The dominant meerkats assert their authority, ensuring that their genes are passed on to the next generation. Young meerkats learn essential survival skills from their elders, preparing them for the challenges ahead. This delicate balance ensures that only the strongest and most adaptable meerkats survive to pass on their genes. It's a cycle of life and death that has played out for generations in the unforgiving Kalahari Desert, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. Their burrows provide shelter from the scorching sun and protection from predators. Grooming each other strengthens social bonds, crucial for their survival. Foraging together, they teach the young ones how to find food and stay safe. This cycle of teaching and learning is vital for the continuity of their species. From dawn to dusk, the meerkats' lives are a testament to the enduring spirit of survival in one of the world's most challenging environments. Section 10. Adapting to survive. Despite the ever-present dangers, meerkats have thrived in this challenging environment for millennia. Their success is a testament to their remarkable adaptability and resilience. From their social structure and cooperative behavior to their physical adaptations for desert living, meerkats are perfectly equipped to handle the challenges of their world. They are a true marvel of the natural world. Section 11, a final word on meerkats. So, the next time you see a meerkat, standing tall and alert on the lookout for danger, remember that there's more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. These small mammals, with their endearing upright stance, are not just cute and curious. They are highly social and intelligent animals with complex behaviors and survival strategies. Their lives are a constant struggle for survival, a delicate dance between cooperation and conflict, all set against the backdrop of the magnificent yet unforgiving Kalahari Desert. In this harsh environment, meerkats rely heavily on their group dynamics. They work together to forage for food, take turns standing guard, and even share the responsibilities of raising their young. One final fascinating fact. Did you know that meerkat pups are not born knowing how to avoid scorpions? This crucial survival skill is taught by the older members of the group. Older meerkats teach them by bringing them dead scorpions to practice with. This method of teaching ensures that the pups learn how to handle these dangerous creatures safely before they encounter the live ones. It's a remarkable example of animal behavior and learning. Nature is full of surprises. The meerkat's ability to adapt and thrive in such a challenging environment is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the resilience of life. So the next time you watch a meerkat standing tall, remember the intricate social structures and survival tactics that lie beneath that vigilant gaze. These creatures are a true marvel of the animal kingdom, embodying the spirit of cooperation and the relentless will to survive.